You can create tons of opportunities for yourself. It will help you grow tremendously. Every 7 seconds, at least one person gets a job opportunity through LinkedIn. I will help you create those opportunities for you. There are 58 million companies listed on LinkedIn. These companies are active and actively looking for candidates like you. So if you have learned emerging technology, you are already registered or you're planning to register at Al Nafi, do it quickly. Now is the right time. Every 7 seconds, at least one person gets a job opportunity through LinkedIn. I have created a course for Al Nafi students that will transform your life. It will help you grow tremendously. By learning emerging technology and by combining it with your skills about LinkedIn, you can create tons of opportunities for yourself. You can be a remote worker, or you can be a freelancer, or you can work full time for an organization. LinkedIn is the platform to be, the best professional platform where you can create your opportunities, and I will help you create those opportunities for you in collaboration with Al Nafi.